Today we'll be solving some more examples from HCF and LCM. We are solving today practice set 14. So let's start. First question is choose the right option. Your blank is given the HCF of 120 and 150 is dash. So we'll find out the HCF by finding out the factors. So we'll get HCF is 30. So first option is correct. Next one, we are having the HCF of this pair of numbers is not 1. So let's see which pairs are there. So 4 pairs are given. Out of these, first, second and fourth are having HCF 1. And so the answer will be option number 3. Next one is find the HCF and LCM. Now here two numbers are given here, 14 and 28. After finding out the factors, we get HCF is equals to 14 and LCM will be product of all the factors. So we get 28. Next one is 32 and 16. So finding out the factors, we get 16 as HCF and LCM will be 32. Next one, we are having 17, 102 and 170. Now here in this sum, all three numbers are divisible by 17. So we'll go for 17. Next there are two numbers, 6 and 10. They are divisible by 2. So we'll go for 2. So here HCF will be only 17 because all the three numbers are divisible only by 17 and LCM will be product of all the factors. So we get 510. Next one is 23 and 69. Here both the numbers are divisible by 23. So HCF will be only 23 and LCM will be 1 into 3 into 23. That means all the factors are multiplied. We get 69. Next one is fifth one, 21, 49 and 84. All these three numbers are divisible by 7. So HCF will be 7 and LCM will be product of all the factors. We get 588. Next one, we are having find the LCM. Now here all the prime factors and the remainders both are to be multiplied in the LCM. So we get here 36 and 42 is the numbers we are having. So LCM will be 252. Next one is 15, 25 and 30. All three are divisible by 5. So we'll take 5. Next it is we are having 3, 5 and 6. So 3 and 6 are divisible by 3. So we get 1, 5 as it is we are writing and 2. Okay. So here we will be stopping here and the LCM will be 150. That is 5 into 3 into 5 into 2. Next one it is 18, 42 and 48. Now here this is divisible by 2 itself. We get 9, 21 and 24. Again these are divisible by 3. So we get 3, 7 and 8. We'll have to stop here because these three are not coming in the same table. So LCM will be 1008. Next one is 4, 12 and 20. Now all these we have to find out the factors and then multiply those. We get 60 as the LCM. Next one is 24, 40 and 80 and 120. So after finding out the factors, we get 240. we get 240 as the LCM. Next one is question number 4. Find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 gives the remainder as 5. Now whatever is the number, in that we have to add 5 so that 5 is the remainder. If the number is fully divisible, then we get 0 as the remainder. Okay, so that is the catch in this number. So how we'll be finding out, and what we have to find out, it's clear from the question itself. Smallest number, that means we have to find out the LCM. Okay, so we'll find out the factors first, then LCM is 360. Now here 360 plus 5 we get 365. So this is the number. The fractions to the lowest terms. So your first one is 348 by 319. After cancelling we get 12 upon 11. Next one is 221 upon 247. So finding out the factors, and after cancelling the common factors we get 17 upon 19. Next one is 437 upon 551. After cancelling we get 23 upon 20. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 432 and 72 respectively. If one of the numbers is 216, what is the other number? So let's see. Here we are using the formula. We have to use that formula. Product of two numbers is equals to LCM into HCF. So let's see. LCM is equals to 432. HCF is equals to 72. First number is given 216, and second number we have to find out. So let the number be x. Now first number into second number is equals to HCF into LCM. Substitute the values. 216 into x is equals to 72 into 432. Now here we have to find out the value of x. So 216 will go on that side, it will be in the division form. So we'll be applying tables, and we get 72 into 2 is equals to 144. So x is equals to 144. So the second number is equals to x is equals to 144. The product of two two-digit numbers is 765, and their HCF is 3. What is their LCM? So here we will be using the same formula, that is product of two numbers is equals to HCF into LCM. Let's see now. Product of two numbers is given 765, HCF 3, and LCM we have to calculate. Now substituting in the formula we get 765 is equals to 3 into LCM. So 3 goes on that side, it will be on division. So LCM will be 255. Question is question number 8. A trader has 3 bundles of strings, 392 meters, 308 meters and 490 meters long. What is the greatest length of the string that the bundles can be cut into without any leftover? So let's see how we are doing it. 3 numbers are given numbers. So we have to find the HCF. Why? Because greatest length is to be found out. Okay, whenever greatest or greater is given in the question, we have to find out the HCF. So after finding out the factors, we get HCF is equals to 14. So the greatest length of each piece of string is 14 meters, so that nothing is less. Which two consecutive even numbers have an LCM of 180? Now this you can solve it orally also by finding out the multiples, but instead of that we are using a method to find out. Let's see which it is. Now in this method we have to use let the two consecutive even numbers be x and x plus 2. Why x plus 2? Because the difference between two even numbers is 2 always. So we have product of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. Substituting the values, we get x into x plus 2 is equals to 2 into 180. HCF, why we are taking 2? Because always two even numbers have HCF of 2. So x square plus 2x by opening the brackets, and here we get 360. Now x square plus 2x minus 360, we are bringing 360 on the left hand side, is equals to 0. So x square plus 20x minus 18x and minus 360 is equals to 0. Here we are finding out the factors of 360 so that the sum or difference is 2. So 20 and 18 are factors of 360. I hope you all remember the equation how we are solving it. So here we are having x common, remaining in the bracket is x plus 20, and on here we get minus 18 and x plus 20 is equals to 0. Now here x plus 20, one bracket, second bracket is x minus 18 is equals to 0. Now we can say that either x plus 20 is equals to 0 or x minus 18 is equals to 0. One number has to 0 because the product is 0. So let's find out x is equals to minus 20 or x is equals to 18. After cancelling the negative value, which is not possible, so we are having x is equals to 18. So first number is equals to x is equals to 18 and second number will be x plus 2, that is 18 plus 2 is equals to 20. I hope you all have understood. If you all have not followed, have any doubts, just comment in the comment box. Please do like, share and subscribe.